Hello students and welcome to eTutions, Education for Better Tomorrow. I am Devashmita and I am here to teach you English. And today we will read a lesson of class 6 from the book Honeysuckle and the chapter 1 whose name is Who Did Patrick's Homework? Okay, so here is the boy known as Patrick and now we will know that who has done his homework. Okay, so let's proceed. Patrick never did his homework. Too boring, he said. He played hockey, basketball, and Nintendo instead. His teachers told him, Patrick, do your homework or you won't learn nothing. And it's true. Sometimes he did feel like an ignoramus. But what could he do? He hated homework. Okay? So here we are talking about a boy whose name is Patrick. Okay? So unlike other children, he also hated homework. Okay? Children, do you also hate doing homework? I know sometimes maybe you don't feel like doing homework. It's fine. Okay, but here Patrick is always very negative about homeworks. उसको कभी homework करना अच्छा ही नहीं लगता था. Okay, and now his teachers would tell him, Patrick, do your homework or else you won't learn a single thing. सही भी है. अगर आप homework नहीं करोगे, आप पढ़ाई नहीं करोगे, so how would you learn a single thing? है ना? So homeworks are important, but here Patrick is not interested in doing the homework. Okay? Acha. Then one day he found his cat playing with a little doll and grabbed it away. Okay? So now here we can see the cat and he is playing with some little doll. Okay? And Patrick found it and he grabbed the doll. To his surprise, it wasn't a doll at all, but a man of the teeniest size. Okay, so Patrick was thinking that was a doll which his cat was playing with. But to his surprise, it wasn't a doll at all. It was a tiniest size man. Oh my God! See, it is such a small man. Okay. He had a little old shirt and old-fashioned breeches and a high tall hat which was like witch. He yelled, Save me! Don't give me back to that cat! I grant you a wish. I promise you that. Okay? So here, what the man was telling? That the man was telling that don't give me back to that cat. Okay, he was wearing that woolen shirt and old fashioned breeches. Breeches means your long pants kind of thing. Okay, which they are wearing. It's a old fashioned kind of pant. Okay, so he was wearing that and a tall hat, right? जैसे कि आप लोग देखते हो कि कार्टून्स में witches पहनते हैं इतने लंबे लंबे टोपी. Okay, he was wearing that kind of hat, right? And he was shouting, please, 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 मेरे को वापस से बिल्ली को मत देना. Don't give me back to that cat. Okay, I will grant you a wish. Okay, I will fulfill your one wish. Okay. So now Patrick was very happy. Patrick could not believe how lucky he was. Here was the answer to all his problems. Okay. So here finally Patrick was very happy. Oh my God, finally I found my problem solution. Okay, he didn't want to do homework and now he can think of the idea that yes, this person is going to give me the that wish. Okay, and I will fulfill my wish of not doing the homeworks. Okay. Acha. So he said, only if you do all my homeworks till the end of the semester, that's 35 days. If you do a good job enough, I could get even A's. Okay. So now Patrick has already planned that what he wants from his wish. Okay. उसने पूरा plan करके रखा है कि if this tiny size man will grant me a wish, I will ask that तुम मेरा homework कर दो and if you do my homework perfectly, then I can get an A grade, right? मेरे को ए ग्रेड टीचर से मिल सकता है. So he was very happy. He was just like कि वाह मेरा ड्रीम पूरा हो गया. Finally my dream was going to be fulfilled, right? Okay. So see, Patrick is so happy thinking about his luck. And here is 35 days away from his semester. Okay, उसके semester से बस 35 days बाकी था. तो this little man has to do his homeworks regularly for 35 days. And if he does a good job, then Patrick can get a A. Okay? अच्छा. The little man's face wrinkled like a disclosed thrown in a hamper. Okay? So now this man was completely furious. उसको तो गुस्सा आ गया. Okay, he kicked his legs and doubled his fist and grimaced and scowled and pursed his lips. Oh, am I cursed? But I will do it. Okay. So now this man is very dissatisfied. Ki, oh my God, what he has asked me to do. Okay, so he is thinking कि am I cursed? मेरे को क्या अभिशाप मिला है और I am something, मेरा कुछ bad luck वगैरह आ गया है क्या? What क्या यार, बिल्ली से बच के आया, यहाँ पे इस बच्चे ने मेरे को पकड़ लिया and he is now telling me, asking me to do his homeworks. Oh my God, I am so cursed. Okay, cursed is a kind of bad luck. Okay, and true to his words, that little elf began to do Patrick's homework. Okay, so now that little man started doing Patrick's homework because he said he will grant him a wish. And उसका wish क्या था कि उसका homework ये इंसान कर दे, छोटा सा इंसान. So now true to his words, जो जैसे कि उसने कहा था, he was doing according to his words. Okay, except there was a glitch. Glitch मतलब except there was a little problem. Okay, the elf did not always know what to do and needed help. Okay, help me, he would say, and Patrick would have to help in whatever way. Okay, so now this elf is doing his homework, but the problem is कि that tiny sized man didn't know what to write, how to write. Okay, so always he needed Patrick to be by his side. Okay, कि जैसे कि वो उसके साइड में रहे and he would guide him कि yes, you write this, you have to do this, ऐसा कर दो, वैसा कर दो. So on all this way Patrick has to guide this little man. Okay, because he didn't know what to do. So he always said, help me doing this, help me doing that. Okay, and Patrick also have to come to help him, right? I don't know this word. The elf squeaked. Squeaked का मतलब क्या है? मतलब वो जो गला थोड़ा मतलब छोटा सा है ना, तो ज्यादा वॉइस से उसका, ज्यादा वॉल्यूम से उसका आवाज नहीं निकल रहा है. सो जैसे कि चूहे जैसे चू 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 करते हैं ना, सो दैट काइंड ऑफ वॉइस ही इज putting out of his mouth. Okay, so squeaked while reading Patrick's homework. Okay, so जब वो पैट्रिक का होमवर्क पढ़ रहा है, he is unable to know some words. Okay, and he squeaked or putting out some really shrill voice, right? Get me a dictionary. No, what's even better? Look up the word, sound it out by each letter. And now this elf is saying that come, bring me a dictionary. Or actually better thing, you do one thing, you read out the word letter by letter and say me how to pronounce it or how to write it. Okay, so at a constant level this elf was needing Patrick's help. Okay, when it came to maths, Patrick was out of luck. What are timetables? The elf shrieked. We elves never need that. And addition and subtraction and division and fractions. Here, sit down beside me. You must guide me. Elves know nothing of human history. To them, it's a mystery. So, the little elf, already a shouter, just got louder. Go to the library. I need books, more and more books, and you can help me read them out. So now, as this small man was doing the homework of Patrick, so as always he needed his help because they don't know how to do maths. Okay, these addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, fraction, these are all new concepts. ओके ये सब एल्फ के डिक्शनरी में या फिर उनके हिस्ट्री में था ही नहीं. ओके एंड नाउ दीज पीपल नो नथिंग अबाउट द ह्यूमन हिस्ट्री कि ह्यूमंस कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं, ह्यूमंस कैसे पढ़ाई करते हैं. दे नो नथिंग अबाउट इट. सो ही ऑलवेज वांटेड कि ब्रिंग मी दिस बुक, bring me that book, I will read this book, you read me out this book, we can do this together. So always by his side he needed Patrick, okay, so that he could help him to do the homeworks, right? As a matter of fact, every day in every way that little elf was a nag. Okay, Patrick was working harder than even, and what was it, a drag. He was staying up nights and he had never felt so very, was going to school with eyes puffed and blurry. Okay, so basically now for doing his homework the elf needed the help of Patrick. Okay, and now just to help that elf, okay, Patrick was also staying up all the night. वो जाग रहा था पूरे night and he was like reading this book, reading that book. He was doing hard labor. Okay, कि पढ़ाई करना है, उसको समझाना है ताकि वो मेरा होमवर्क करेगा. So these all kind of things were going inside Patrick's head. Okay, so for this reason he couldn't sleep at nights. Okay, and he was completely very means क्या है, tired. Okay, he was completely tired. Okay, and he was going to school with his eyes puffed and blurry. Okay, आपको जब नींद आता है so your eyes become watery and you feel like okay fine I will do it. ऐसा कि tiredness या फिर like your eyes were swollen up. So these kind of symptoms could be seen in Patrick because he was staying awake in night, right? Finally, the last day of school arrived and the elf was free to go. As for homework, there was no more, so he quietly, slyly slipped out of the back door. Okay, so finally that was the last day of the school and Patrick had done all his homework and his homework was all completed. So the elf quietly went out of the back door. Okay, because he knows that his homework is done and as he promised कि after his homework he will go. So here the homework is complete, the 35 days are over and his semesters were over. So now that elf was free to go. Okay, and now the elf has also gone, right? Okay, Patrick got his A's, his classmates were amazed, his teachers smiled and full of praise, and his parents, they wondered what happened to Patrick. He was now the model kid. Okay, so now this Patrick was completely changed, right? He was doing before he was not doing his homework, he was only playing. Okay, and now he has done so much of labor that he has got A plus, right? And now his teachers were full of praise. Okay, they were saying ki, oh my god, Patrick has completely changed, he has done his homework, he has done it perfectly, and his parents were confused that what has happened to their child. Okay, he has completely changed. He was now a model kid, a ideal kid, या फिर जिसको आप बोल सकते हो कि a perfect school kid, कि जो अपना homework करता है, जो time पे अपने काम करता है. He was doing each and everything what was unexpected from him. Okay, उसका पूरा attitude change हो गया था. He was never rude, like he had developed a whole new attitude. Okay, so now he was never rude. Okay, he used to talk to everyone politely, right? So he was completely changed. You see, in the end of, Patrick still thought he made that tiny man do all his homework. But I share a secret just between you and me. It wasn't the elf. Patrick had done it himself. Okay, so now the writer says a secret that Patrick thinks that the little man has done his homework, but to be true, telling the truth, it was the Patrick labor and dedication for which he has completed all his homework. Okay, so किसी ने नहीं, बस पैट्रिक ने ही अपना होमवर्क किया था. ओके, सो हमारा जो टाइटल में जो क्वेश्चन था, हु डिड पैट्रिक्स होमवर्क, सो पैट्रिक हिमसेल्फ हैज डन हिज होमवर्क. ओके, सो नाउ there are some difficult words in this chapter, so let's discuss what are the difficult words in this chapter. Okay, so Nintendo, okay, a video game. So in the first page we have read a word like Nintendo, so that is a video game. Okay, you guys play video game, so that is a kind of video game, right? Okay, grab, grab का मतलब है पकड़ लेना और take a hold of it. Okay, breeches, breeches or short trousers. The writer here spells it for fun to rhyme with the word witches. Okay, so now breeches is just like your pants or the trousers. Okay, so which the elf was wearing. Cursed, extremely misfortune by some spell. Okay, cursed मतलब जैसे कि अभिशाप. Okay, the Hindi term for cursed is abhishap. Okay, elf, a supernatural creature of folk tales, typically represented as a small, delicate, elusive figure in the human form. Okay, so basically elf is not a natural thing. Okay, जैसे कि हमारा dragons होता है, that is a imaginary or you can say the supernatural creature. Similarly, that tiny size man, did we ever see a tiny size man like this? No, na. So it is a supernatural creature. It is not natural or not a common creature. Okay. Of the folk tales. Folk tales का मतलब क्या है? जो कि हम लोग गांव में जो कहानियां सुनते हैं, ठीक है? Those are your folk tales, right? Typically represented as a small, delicate, elusive figure in the human form. Okay. So this elf is a small, delicate, and elusive of human figure. They look like human, but they are just tiny in size. Right? Okay. Grimaced, making a weird face out of dissatisfaction. तो आपको अगर कुछ पसंद नहीं आता है, you make faces, right? कि मम्मी ने करेला बनाया, मम्मी करेला, छी. So this is your grimaced. Okay. So when you make a face out of dissatisfaction, that is your grimaced, right? Scowl, angry or dissatisfied action. Okay, so this is a similar word to grimaced. Okay, कि when you are dissatisfied or you are angry over something, you scowl. Okay, shrieked, shouting on a high pitched sound. Okay, so basically when you shout out of a high pitched sound, that is your shrieked. Nag, one who troubles someone all the time by complaining or asking them to do something. Okay, so this elf was like your nag. Okay, he was always asking to do this homework, that homework, this, that, and everything to that Patrick. Okay, so he was a nag, always busy in poking someone's life, right? Weary, weary means completely tired or you can say thaka hua. Okay, praise, flattering words for something or someone. Praise का मतलब है तारीफ करना और you can say good words for someone or something. Okay, so this is the end of the video. If you like the video, please like, comment and share. And do not forget to download the eTutions application because we provide quality education for CBSE and BSE. Thank you.